Hey, it's Bortone, and today on Lou's Reviews, we're going to share my 5 fave super amazing free tools and hacks for small business. So let's jump right in and find some of those cool tools. They're not all video tools, but the first one kind of is. This one is called Capwing, and Capwing does, I don't know, pretty much everything. They've got a video maker, they've got a meme generator, they've got a subtitler, they've got add audio to video, trim video, loop video, blah, 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 all kinds of amazing tools for free. Here you get no watermarks, access to all tools. And then there is a paid version where you get more storage and some other stuff like that. But honestly, I've always used the free version and never had any problem. And what I use this for most of all is to resize video. So it's Kapwing.com with a K /tools, and then go to resize video. Now the great thing about this is you can upload or paste a URL of any video. Try a sample here, we'll do this guy, and then click create, and then you can have it show up here for Instagram, either for a Insta story or IGTV, YouTube, which is the sort of traditional 16:9. You can resize it for a Facebook or Twitter portrait, which is 4:5. You can resize it for a Facebook Twitter landscape, a Facebook cover. So you can basically do a video and then adjust it to pretty much whatever size you might need. So if you do a YouTube video and you say, you know what, I want to share this on Instagram. So you can do that, and this is how it will show up on Instagram, or you can have them crop it and fill the whole frame. So you'll lose a little bit, but if you don't want those black lines, then that's how you get rid of that. Same thing for Instagram. Again, if you upload it natively like that, it's just going to fill that little space, but if you hit crop, it's going to do that. So it doesn't work great on certain things. You can have the background be white or black. But again, if you want to take a YouTube video and turn it into an Instagram video, boom, easy peasy, Facebook landscape, Facebook cover. So all of that will do that. Then you just hit the red create button and you're good to go. So a pretty cool way to resize just about anything. All right, that's Kapwing.com. And again, I use the free version here. You can resize it however you need it for whatever format you want here, as you can see. Twitter feed, Facebook feed, Instagram story, no crop, Instagram story or IGTV, etc. The next tool I want to tell you about is also pretty cool and free. And this one is great if you're creating a video script and you want to figure out, well, how long is this going to be once I read it on camera? So if I say, all right, you know what? I just wrote a video script and it's 350 words, and I put that in there and I say I'm going to read it at an average speed. It tells me right off the bat that that's going to be a 2.7 minute video, so I can keep that video under 3 minutes. If I talk fast, like I do, it'll be 2.2 minutes. If I talk really slow, it'll be 3.5 minutes. But again, all you have to do is paste the text from any document or the number of words that you have on that document. So if you say, all right, well, I've got a video and the script is 600 words. Oh crap, that's going to take, almost 5 minutes. So you either reduce the number of words or read it faster or break it down maybe into 2 videos. So this is a great, great tool here. It's called Convert Words to Time at words2time.com. And it's really handy, and it will show you exactly what it will take to read a certain number of words at different speeds. The next tool I want to show you about is also a really cool little fill in the blank, and this one is called Portents Content Idea Generator. This has been around for a while, but it's pretty cool if you're looking for titles for videos or titles for articles or headlines. You can basically put anything in here that you want. So let's say that you are a coach and you put coaching in here. Then you click the little arrow and you've got a lovely little saying / headline. So how coaching is the answer to Middle East peace. If you're like, okay, that's ridiculous, I don't like that one. Refresh, how coaching could get you on OMG Insider. Right. Refresh again, how coaching is part of a vast right-wing conspiracy. That might be true, I don't know. where coaching is headed in the next 5 years. So again, you just keep clicking the little refresh button here, and it's going to give you dozens and dozens of quick little punchy headlines for you to use. Why the next 10 years of coaching will smash the last 10, why coaching is on crack about coaching, why coaching is worse than not getting a rose, 17 great articles about coaching, doing coaching the right way, blah, blah, blah. That's Portents content generator at portent.com. So that's a really cool free tool, also free and really handy. The next tool we're going to look at, I love, and use it all the time, and it's called Remove Background. This is at Remove.bg, and it's free, and the great thing about this is you can take any photo or upload an image. Let me see if I can find an image of moi. All right, so let's say I choose a photo and I upload it to Remove.bg. So look at that, there's the original, and here's the upload. And I can download it, I can edit it, I can put different backgrounds in there if I want. There's a nice fall background, there's a generic background, a sky background. So that's pretty cool. I can put literally any image behind here that I want once I've got it separated, or I can just download it and stick my photo wherever I feel like. So that's a really cool tool and very easy to use, because you just basically upload your photo and you're good to go. So you upload the photo, there's the original, there's the Remove.bg, and again, you can edit and tweak and add your own backgrounds, or select a background, or just add a color to the background. Let's say somebody said, can you send me a headshot with a blue background? Boom, done. And then download it. So this is a great tool, also free, Remove.bg. All right, so let's do one last tool. This is number 5 on the free hit parade, and this one is called Funnelytics. Now this one does have a paid version, but there's also a free version, as you can see here, free forever. Funnelytics allows you to create funnels, product funnels, sales funnels, all these cool charts and graphs. And basically you can start out and look at it and just say, okay, well, if they opt into this page and then they click this button and then they go here and then they get these 2 emails. So you can really map out your entire funnel and get results too. If you use the paid version, you can add analytics and numbers to it and all that kind of cool stuff. So it's really easy to use. It's drag and drop, and the free version works pretty well if you're just doing a few funnels. So those, and again, free version as well. Those are 5 of my favorite free tools and hacks to help your small business. I hope you enjoyed that. We looked at video resizer in Capwing. We looked at convert words to time, Portents content generator, remove background, and Funnelytics. Tune in next Tuesday for another Lou's Reviews, and we'll see you then. Be sure to watch the other videos on this channel as well. We've got lots of cool stuff here, and you can reach out to me anytime on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and all the socials. Thanks again, and bye for now.